point to discuss, which is called as power in AC. You know, the rate of energy consumed by electric device is called as its power. In AC, you know, in AC, power depends on the phase angle. So the power, general expression for the power is, you know, I think very well, P E RMS I RMS cos phi, where cos phi is called as power factor. In any circuit, if by any means phi is equal to 90 degree, phi is equal to 90 degree, then 95 power 90 means 0. So power consumed is 0, means there is a no loss of energy. Okay, so if circuit containing pure L or pure C, where means pure L pure C, where there is no loss of energy, means power factor is 0. So such type of current in the circuit is called as wattless current. Wattless current. It is very useful for us. Choke coil is a device based on the concept of wattless current. Right now, power. If we talk about the AC, power in AC, so if we use any circuit, we get 2 times power is maximum on the one side and 2 times power is maximum on the other side. So they are called as lower frequency and upper frequencies. The frequency, the frequency range between which the electric appliance work, which is called as bandwidth. Which is called as bandwidth. Bandwidth means like this, delta omega is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1. These are the 2 frequencies at which the power is half. That is why they are called as half power frequencies. डिफरेंस बिटवीन मीन्स बेटे अंडरस्टैंड, जैसे कि कोई डिवाइस है, हमारा कोई रेडियो है, सिग्नल काम करता है वो, तो मैक्सिमम वो 100 फ्रीक्वेंसी से लेकर 10,000 फ्रीक्वेंसी से काम करता है. इसका मतलब कि वो यहां से है तो जो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू 1 मिली और दूसरी मिली, दोनों का माइनस यानी इतनी वैल्यू तक ये रेंज पर हमारा डिवाइस वर्क करता है. इसलिए इसको हम इसकी बोलते हैं बैंडविड्थ. तो बैंडविड्थ जो शुरू की है एक फ्रीक्वेंसी और फाइनल फ्रीक्वेंसी, इन दोनों का माइनस होता है और इसका फार्मूला होता है R/L. हालांकि ये नीट में नीट के सिलेबस वगैरह में है, जेई वगैरह में है, सीईटी में बहुत कम, लेकिन कभी कभी क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेता है, इसलिए मैंने इनको भी एक्सप्लेन करना चाहा. तो बैंडविड्थ का जनरल फार्मूला, एंड बैंडविड्थ इज इक्वल टू R/L. राइट नाउ वी नीड टू डिस्कस how much any resonance circuit is sharp or flat. So you know, the sharpness or the flatness of any resonance circuit depends on depends on a factor which is called as quality factor, a dimension-led factor, which is defined as quality factor is equal to resonant frequency. We discussed already, omega naught is equal to, you know, so the resonant frequency upon bandwidth means omega naught upon delta omega, and we know resonant frequency 1 upon root LC and bandwidth is equal to R/L. Making simplification, we get quality factor Q is equal to 1 by R root 1 by LC. Remember one thing, larger Q, sharper is the resonance. Okay, so these are the explanation of this chapter, and one more thing is here, we also need to explain the concept of resonance. Means sometimes resonance series and resonance parallel, they are very easy. Similarly, we use XL is equal to XC concept, and you need to use it. Okay, so by all these observations, I think they are very helpful for all of you to solve the numerical problems. So go through each and every questions given in the exercise books. And synopsis already, go through the topics, revise each and every topic, and then start solving. I think in case of Nashik road, I have already explained 3 chapters from 12th course and 3 chapters from 11th course. Right now it is for the unit 3rd, and you can go through these topics. First revise everything and then start solving. Later when we will meet, we will solve the problems. If you have any doubt, let me know, I will solve.